Hello everyone and welcome to our first QUADRA tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you how to use QUADRA to train a classifier model. Firstly, we will set up our environment variables for configurations of QUADRA and MLflow URL. We selected the Pokemon classification dataset available on Kaggle platform. In this dataset you can find many Pokemons and we have picked 7 of them for the tutorial. In each folder we have images collected from different sources on the internet. We create a new file under configs experiment folder. The configuration starts with the default overrides given by the QUADRA library, such as backbone, data model, loss, model, optimizer, task, scheduler and image transforms. We can update the configurations according to our needs, such as we can change the experiment name, the data module and specify where the data is located. For our classification task definition, we enable the GradCam for explaining the model predictions and we pick the Frozen Resonate 18 as a pre-trained model. Here we define our experiment name, the data module and where the data is located. Optionally, we can add early stopping callback relies on the validation loss to our callback list and Hydra will automatically instantiate it. After having QUADRA installed as a package in our virtual environment, we can run it from command line with specifying the experiment name. When the training is complete, we will have all files saved under logs folder. We have MLflow instance running on the localhost port 5000 and our experiment will show up on the MLflow UI. When we select our last run, it's possible to see all the configuration parameters, metrics and artifacts. Under artifacts folder we have samples from model predictions on the test set, confusion metrics and inference model that can be used as an endpoint. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us and see you on the next one.